Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear RAM cache on iPhone 12 or how to clear iPhone 12 RAM. So if you want to clear your iPhone 12 RAM, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, it's worth to know that iPhone clear RAM cache automatically. So whether you choose to clear the cache yourself or you don't care about it, your iPhone is going to automatically clear the RAM cache. But if you discover that your phone is lagging and you need to clear the RAM cache or you need to clear the iPhone RAM, then here are the steps you need to take. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the easiest and fastest approach you can use to clear RAM cache or clear your iPhone RAM is press the volume up button quickly alongside the volume down button quickly, then press and hold the side button. This is going to force restart your iPhone, and once your iPhone is force restarted, this is going to clear the RAM cache. So volume up, volume down, press and hold the side button, keep pressing once you see slide to power off. So just need to hold on to the side button until the iPhone is turned off itself and the iPhone is turned on itself. Once the iPhone is turned on, then let it go. Now at this point, just force restarted your iPhone 12, but the case here is this. Forcing restarting your iPhone 12 is going to clear the RAM cache, which is probably the reason why you're watching this video. So you just need to hang on until your iPhone is turned on. Once your iPhone is turned on successfully, swipe up, type in your iPhone passcode, and you should see your RAM cache cleared. So that is basically how to clear RAM on iPhone 12 or any other iPhone series. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.